In the 1960s, the workers at film processing labs sometimes saw footage that shocked them. That was the case in People vs. Samuels, in which a California ophthalmologist tried to combine his interests in photography and sadomasochism. Marvin Samuels had flown out to the East Coast to film bound men being whipped. This film was still unprocessed when Samuels met experimental film director Kenneth Anger in San Francisco. Anger suggested that the Kinsey Institute on Human Sexuality might be interested in seeing the footage. Samuels mailed his film to Anger, who had it developed, and forwarded it to the Kinsey Institute. Samuels let it be known in the San Francisco alternative lifestyle community that he was looking for volunteers to make sadomasochistic films to be sent to Kinsey. A man he met at a bar agreed to participate. Samuels thought the man was named George, but otherwise knew nothing about him. This man came to Samuels' house. Samuels strung him up in an unfinished room where the man submitted to a beating that Samuels filmed. During the film, visible welts appeared on the man's body. Samuels mailed this film to Anger, who dropped it off for processing. After viewing the contents, the Eastman Kodak Company contacted the police. They arrested Anger when he came to collect the film. They then went to Samuels' house with a search warrant. Samuels showed the police the room where he'd shot the film. At his trial for assault and other crimes, Samuels testified that the man in the movie had voluntarily come to his house for filming. He said he struck him lightly with a riding crop, and he stopped the film and applied cosmetics to simulate the appearance of welts. He coached the man to writhe as if he were in pain. Experts for the prosecution disputed this account, arguing that the film hadn't been stopped or spliced, and the footage truly represented a whipping and accompanying injuries. The jury found Samuels guilty of aggravated assault and conspiracy to distribute obscene materials. Samuels appealed to the California Court of Appeals. He argued that he couldn't have committed assault because the man consented to the beating.